Welcome to the channel PharmaTude, and our today's topic is top 10 pharmaceutical companies in India as per 2020. In this video, we have mentioned the top 10 pharmaceutical companies with its location, its turnover, as well as its marketed products, as well as the formulations developed by these companies. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then first click the bell icon to get the notification of our video. So what top companies prefer? They prefer B Pharm or M Pharm. So if you are a B Pharm pass out, then you can get work in the production department, then QA or QC department, and the salary as compared to the M Pharm is less in the B Pharm. So if you are M Pharm, that is the postgraduate in the pharmacy, then your main focus is towards the research work, and hence you can work in the R&D department, that is research and development department, and your salary package is also 7 to 8 lakhs per annum in these top companies. So now starting from the 10th company, so 10th one is the Alkem Laboratories. So its headquarters is located in the Mumbai. Its turnover is 667.08 crores. So which are the formulations developed by this company? So they are mainly focusing on the solid dosage forms, then the liquid orals, as well as the topical, as well as the transdermal products. So this is the marketed preparations developed by the Alkem Laboratories. Is the Abbott India. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai, and its turnover is 40 billion US dollars. So what are the manufacturing of this company? So they are mainly manufacturing the pharmaceutical drugs of neurology, then diabetes, then thyroid, then urology, then GIT, then the pain management, as well as the anti-infective and the vitamins. Now the 8th company is the Zydus Cadila Healthcare. Its headquarters is located in the Ahmedabad, and its turnover is 7,014.3 crores. So what are the formulations which are developed by the Zydus Cadila? So in the orals, they are developing the tablets, then hard and soft gelatin capsules. Then in the injectables, they are manufacturing sterile liquids as well as the lyophilized molecules. Then they are also developing the inhalers, then the transdermal patches, as well as the vaccines and the suppositories. And the formulations for the pharmaceutical technology have also been developed in order to design the specialized dosage forms. So these are the injectables as well as the suppositories which have been developed by the Zydus Cadila. They are also even working right now on the ZyCoV-D vaccine in order to develop the coronavirus vaccine. Now the 7th company is the Lupin Pharmaceuticals. Its headquarters is located in the Mumbai, and its turnover is 38 million US dollars. So these are the products which have been manufactured by the Lupin Pharmaceuticals. So they are working in the treatment of the control release drug, that is they are developing the different drugs based on the NSAID, CVS, CNS, then the gynecology, and then the pediatrics, as well as asthma, diabetes, GIT, and the anti-infective drugs. They are also developing the controlled drug release based on the meter dose inhalers, then the microspheres and the nanoparticles, as well as the parenteral drug delivery systems. Now the 6th company is the Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Its headquarters is located in the Ahmedabad, and its turnover is 7939 crores. So what is the manufacturing done by the Torrent Pharmaceuticals? So they are mainly developing the drugs in the CNS, then the GIT system, as well as oncology, gynecology, pain management, and the anti-marketed preparations developed by the Torrent Pharma. This is the metformin tablet, which is the anti-diabetic drug. Now the 5th pharmaceutical is the Aurobindo Pharma. its headquarters is located in the Hyderabad and its turnover is 13,650 crores. So, what are the formulations or the products developed by the Aurobindo Pharma? They mainly work in the therapeutic segments of the gastroenterology, then the anti-diabetic drugs, then the anti-allergics, then the CVS, anti-retrovirals, as well as the neuroscience. And what are the features of the Aurobindo Pharma? They have the multi-product portfolio, they have a huge product range, and they have the world-class R&D facilities. So this is the marketed preparations developed by the Aurobindo Pharma in the HCQ tablet as well as the EZ 500 mg tablet. Now the fourth pharma is the Cipla. So its headquarters is located in the Mumbai and its turnover is 2.5 billion US dollars. So this is the marketed preparations developed by the Cipla, and this is the tablet used in the treatment of gout. So it is the anti-gout drug. So what is the manufacturing as well as the features of Cipla? That the company provides more than 2000 formulations. The company covers the areas like neurology, nephrology as well as the diabetogenic, and the best quality of products. Now the third one is the Divi's Laboratories. Its headquarters is located at the Hyderabad and its turnover is 5500.43 crores. Now what are the features of Divi's Laboratory? They are as follows. It manufactures API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients, then intermediates and the nutraceutical ingredients with the predominance in exploration. Due to its market value, it has entered into the top list of pharma companies in India. They have 3 manufacturing and 3 research as well as the development units. Important company is the Dr. Reddy's Laboratory. This is the Indian multinational company and it has firm having more than 190 drugs and the 60 APIs for the drug manufacturing as well as the biotechnological products and the diagnostic kits. This company, in order to fight with the COVID-19 battle, it has agreed to perform the final stage of clinical trials of Russia's Sputnik V with the COVID-19 vaccine in India. So this company is currently working with the Russia. Foremost pharmaceutical in India is the Sun Pharma, and its headquarters is located in the Goregaon, Mumbai, and its turnover is rupees 818184.94 crores. So what are the features of Sun Pharma? That is the world-class research and development facilities, and secondary is that they have its own API, which is one of the biggest advantage of this company, and this firm supplies more than 2000 formulations as well as exports in various other nations too. So what are the formulations which are being developed by this company is they work in the cardiology, then diabetology, then neurology, then gastroenterology as well as psychiatry. They also supplies the API for the following drugs, and they also provides the anti-cancer drugs as well as the peptide and the steroid sex hormones. So in this video we have mainly discussed the top 10 pharmaceutical companies. So stay tuned to our channel.